welcome back to my channel. Today I am collaborating with EBONYLINE.com. If you guys do not know what EBONYLINE.com is, if you're new to my channel, if you're just clicking on this video, EBONYLINE.com is an online beauty supply store pretty much. They sell mostly wigs, most of what they sell are wigs. They also sell a lot of hair products like edge control and tint spray and edge control brushes. Pretty much a lot of the things which you would find in your local beauty supply store, it's just online. Today I'm going to be installing and giving you a mini review on a wig that I selected from their site that I wanted to share with you that I thought was very Misschrissyjaye approved. So I think this is a new, because it was under new arrivals, so if I'm not mistaken, I believe this is a new wig on the market. It's the ZURY Hollywood wig, and it's the Sis sister wig. Half up, half down, side bang, split bang, swoop bang. Just open it right up. Okay. Oh, so it already comes up. Oh my gosh, it's a lot that I gotta share with you guys with this wig. It's very creative. I've never seen a wig that was already, well, actually I'm lying, I did, but nowadays, like in 2022, a lot of the wigs just come styled. It's crazy. When I first started my channel, I literally had to do everything myself. This is how the wig came out. This is how it looks. It's already styled. It's already in like a mini ponytail. So it has two small, like really small clips in the front. It has a big clip in the back, and it also comes with the the wig straps that all lace wigs come with. If you don't know what wig strap all lace wigs come with, I will show you. Like this, it's very stretchy. Okay, first things first, this wig is tight as hell, which is a good thing because I like my wigs tight. Okay, ooh, all right, okay, yeah. You already know how I do. You guys, if you're subscribed, you know me. If you're not, let me just tell you this. I never just take the wig out of the box and wear it like this. Stop doing that. I've told you that in 2014, 2015, 2016. I told you that for like about what, 10 years it's been now since I've been on YouTube. Stop
wearing the wigs how it looks out of the package.
Comes like that. It has the swoop that they were talking about. I'm gonna take my brush and just brush it out, show you guys. No tangling, no shedding, so that's a good thing. Well, a little bit of shedding, but nothing crazy. You can see the lace. It's really good. It's really thin. That's a good thing. So of course, before I even style it, I want to install it with glue and all of that, and I want to tint the lace. You guys already know I do that. That's the first thing you want to do when you get the wig, is tint the lace. I'm going to flip the wig over like this. I don't really have any more of my Ebon lace tint spray, which I love because it's dry and it's quick. So I'm going to use the one that I have in stock right now, and that is the Wig Extension lace tint spray. And this one is in a golden. Well, I'm gonna actually take off my wig cap because I don't need that. Okay. It does come with baby hairs too. It comes with a little bit of baby hairs. I guess like if you don't want to wear it with the bang, you can just kind of put it up. Yeah, so it comes with baby hairs as well. But yeah, so let me just comb out the baby hairs, and as you can see, that's how it looks. I always do the middle first, just, get a little started, and then you don't cut off all the lace. Well, I don't cut off all the lace, cut off this much. So I leave like an inch on. glue it down. So I'm gonna just push this back a little bit. Okay, so my forehead is released. And today I am using Esha's, hold on, I got a little hair on it, child, I gotta make it look nice and presentable. I'm gonna be using Esha's lace wand glue. Don't mind the top actually got burnt by a flat iron, so it looks really weird, but it still works. So you just turn it, and then all the glue starts coming out. What I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna take this little applicator right here that I got from Bold Hold and just apply it, the glue like that. And then I can just turn it again, more glue comes out. Glue is on. I'm gonna add a little bit of cool air actually, not cold, cool air, because you don't want to use hot air when you're trying to make the glue tacky. You need to use cool air. So, pull button right here. Sometimes it's a struggle putting on the wig, but I try my best. I try to do piece by piece, so I try to do like the edges, on my edges by my ear, and then I go up around the hairline. But I'm holding it because I don't want the sides to come up, because that's most important. And also I see a little on the model like the sides are coming up. Wig companies, you need to call me. Y'all need to stop playing. Call me. It's a recession out here. Call me, because the wig should not be lifting up in the picture at all. So you always want to make sure you can take out your ear. So I can put it behind my ears, and I'm going to just cut this little piece right here so I can have some edges right here. But as you can see, it goes nicely behind my ears. And I'm going to do this side too. Always take your ears out, guys. I don't want to see the wig on top of your ears. Where's your ears? We need to see your ears, right? So put it down a little bit, a little more. Okay, make a little edge. So I'm gonna use edge control, old school edge control. This is the watermelon. I love smelling it. It's by Kiss. Just gonna take a little bit. Just gonna lay that side down like that and cut that off. Let's see what we're working with. So I'm gonna take my paddle brush and comb through it very gently. I don't want no hard curls. You don't want hard curls. You want soft curls. Do the other side. Let's see what this is. Okay, so something's coming off. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. Just took off this little piece. It's like, I don't know, it's Velcro and you can put it around the ponytail, but it's like a little piece of blonde hair. And I want to actually comb. I think this is super super creative. A little piece, you can Velcro, you can close it. Look, let me show you guys. So I put it around the ponytail and I close like that. And then I open it. See? And it has little clips in it. It has like little 3 little mini clips like that in it. Wow, let me take this piece out. And first things first, I want to kind of like brush this back. And I kind of want to brush this out too. So we're gonna just brush this part out. Ooh, it's so bouncy and pretty. Okay, and I'm gonna use my scrunchie, not a rubber band. Let me just take off this edge first, and let's see what I'm working with. Okay. All right. And I realized I should have literally left it like that with no bangs. As you can see, guys, I'm struggling. I'm not a fan of the little part they have hanging in the front. It's too small. It's too close up to my face. I am struggling. I'm just trying to make this into a look. I actually do like this style. I'm just gonna cut some hairs because some of the hairs in the front is really long. So I'm just gonna go down like that. Just cut some hairs. Some of the hairs in the front, they made super long. Because I guess they thought that, you know, I was going to put it up, but I'm not. So I'm just cutting some hairs in the front. So that it's not super like long. All for styling this really pretty wig. Let me know what you guys think below. Let me know what you guys think below. If you like it, if you don't like it, if you kind of like it big like this, what am I giving? Am I giving anything? Tell me what it's giving. I want to know what it's giving. I love you guys so much. Thank you for watching this video. Thank you EBONYLINE.com for collabing with me with this really pretty bouncy wig. And I will see you guys in my next video. But until then, keep slaying.